cup wheat porridge. Wash well. Soak for 2 to 3 hours. A half cup jaggery. A half cup water. Soak until it dissolves. Set aside. Add soaked wheat porridge. 4 cup water. Bring it to boil. Skim the foam. Cover and cook on low flame for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, add jaggery syrup. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. A half teaspoon green cardamom powder. 2 tablespoons desiccated coconut. Mix well. 3 tablespoons clarified butter. Dry fruits as you like. Roast on low flame for 2 minutes. Add dry fruits with ghee. Mix well.